for little minds. The world is just moving from one wonder to the next, from bouncy bouncy balls to the taste of something yum. So let the curiosity roam. To fairies, friends from afar, doodlers that draw magic and shout. What's next? See? New noises, signs.
Hello, Juanita.
Hello, Joe.
And of course, Gaeilge.
Time is a game.
Because learning how we share, discovering what we can make, doesn't have to end at screen time.
We interrupt this program to sell.
Aww.
And it doesn't deserve interruption. So leave little minds free to wonder whatever's next. Because in a world where screens can be worrisome, we've made them a wonder. RTÉ Kids Jr.
What's next?